Alright, we're going to replace the kill switch in the pop-up. It is just totally broken. We've already released the old screws, and we're going to want to save these two screws, because the new one that we got, and we ordered this from
Coleman Pop-Up Parts.
Coleman Pop-Up Parts. This was, I'm not even sure how much was it. Wasn't very expensive.
No, maybe $25.
Maybe less than that.
Or no, that was the $12 part.
Right, this is the $12. This kill switch is made a lot better than this flimsy one they got here with this. I'll take our flathead portion, pop that up. Pulling the wires up through. And the jumper on that switch. Just gonna pop these off. Don't ever pull these connectors off on the wire, because you'll pull the wire out of the connector and then you have to redo it. If you're not familiar with using these kind of connectors and the type of crimpers that are required, I suggest pulling them off like that. Take a screwdriver, and that's the old part. Curling switch, 10 amp, 250 volt, or 20 amp, 125 volt. That's what we need. So, the direction of the switch going off. There's your red on the bottom, yellow and black on top. Oops. Ha! Gotta put the back cover on first. Secured. Later date we'll be replacing all this with wood. Got to work on the refrigerator. We'll be taking this camp stove out and doing a whole new countertop, leaving the sink. We're making a little bit more storage space for us for our travels with 3 kids and 2 adults. Just insert this kill switch back in place. And like I said, it didn't come with screws, so we need to save the old screws. Put my multi-tool in. Next time we go to plug up to our 30 amp campsite, lift that up, all the power should come right on.